it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a 2019 room tour because it has been forever since I have done a room tour, and plus it's in my new room. I guess it's not technically new because I've been living here since June. But yeah, so I'm gonna be giving you guys a room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and let's hop on to the room tour. Okay guys, so here's just an overview of my room, just to give you guys a little bit of an insight of it. Okay, so before we go into my actual room, I just wanted to show you guys the door. I know it's nothing really pretty, but this is my door. It's like basic, it's just like a brown door. And I have like this hook up here that I don't know what's to put up there yet, but it's just up there. And my room is right beside the bathroom, so it's really convenient in the morning when I'm running late and stuff like that. And then you have like these signs up here that my girl put in here. This is love, faith, and believe, which is a really nice inspirational thing. So now we're gonna go inside. Okay, so the first thing that you will see when you walk in is this drawer. This is where I keep most of my clothes at. I know it doesn't seem that big because yeah, but I got this from Walmart a couple of months ago, like back in September, and it just keeps all of my school clothes in here. So in this drawer I keep majority of my socks and my sweatpants and pajamas in there. In this drawer I keep a lot of my tops and stuff in here, and then of course in this drawer I keep a lot of my jeans and my leggings in there. Over here it's kind of messy. This is going to be a realistic room tour, so nothing fancy, but yeah, I still have my birthday balloons up here because my birthday was April 8th and that was like 3 weeks ago, and I still have it up here because why not. And then I also have this Victoria's Secret bag, which I just keep a lot of stuff that I don't really use. I have my Beats headphones in here, and then I have like some other stuff in here that I don't really use. And yeah, and then over here is where I look at my outfits of the day and stuff like that. So it's just like a full-length mirror, and I got this from Walmart also. And yeah, over here is my bed. This is actually a twin size bed, which is perfect because I am a very short person, so I wouldn't mind a nice twin size bed. It's perfect for me and my size. So I just have a few pillows on the side. I got this one for my birthday and it has cactuses on it, and then I have these two that just came with the bed itself and the comforter. And then this is the comforter, and these are some pillows. I have more pillows in the living room, but I don't really use them, so I just put them out there. And then I just have on this throw blanket that doesn't match at all, but it's so soft. Like inside of it, it's just very soft and has cotton in it, so it just makes it perfect for me to like take a nap or whatever. So it's really nice. Over here is my desk area. I don't really use this area as an actual desk. It's mostly used for just junk, but I'm being real, it's literally nothing. I don't use this at all. But I typically have some books up here that I just have. I have a study Bible, I have this like scrapbook thing, my Spanish book, and then another scrapbook thing. I have to take that back eventually because I don't take Spanish anymore, but that's there. And then I just have this candle thing that I use just for a cup holder because it's nice. And then I have fake nails over here, and then right here is my jewelry box where I keep a lot of my bracelets and earrings, and it's all junk in there. I got that for Christmas 2 years ago. Then I also have a lantern, which doesn't work because the batteries are dead, but it does work when I put in batteries in here. And then I have this bear. And then over here I have this really cute sign that says love life to the fullest and embrace it with no regrets. And that's really inspiring, and I really love that over here, so I put that over here. And then right here is my window. Nothing special, but oh, and then I forgot to show you guys, on top of my bed I have this mirror, which I love because it really opens up my bedroom a little bit more. And then I have just some pictures that I printed at Walmart with just some great memories of my friends and just over the summer and stuff like that. Of course, I have to have my dog up there because he is so cute. And yeah, just a lot of cute memories, and I'm trying to fill this whole wall up with pictures, so by next year it'll be like a full on wall of pictures, which will be really nice. And then I also have this really cute chair, which I just don't really use because it's like, again, I use my bed mostly, but it's just really nice. I usually have my charger hanging over here. So yeah. Then up top I have this really nice hook thing where I hang up all of my coats and jackets that I have. I usually wear a lot of jackets to school and places, so these come in handy. I just recently brought this one from Ross, so it's really nice. It's just like a pullover jacket, so it's really comfy. And yeah, and this is also my closet, and it's pretty messy in here, so I don't really want to show you guys, but that's what it looks like up there. It's really messy. So, oh, and I forgot to show you, I also have another jacket thing over there as well underneath my full length mirror thing. And yeah, over here a vanity, I guess you can call it. I guess it's called a vanity. I don't know really, but I guess. So yeah, so on my vanity I keep a lot of like, I guess, stuff on my actual mirror. I have this class of 2020 thing that I got in 6th grade for some reason. When I went to private school, I got this because it was only like 7 of us, so they couldn't make that. But in public school, they don't have time for that. So I just have that up here, which is really nice. And 2020 is next year, so I will be graduating. I feel old. Oh my gosh. And then I just have a few pictures of me right here. This is like an event I went to, and it had like a photo booth, whatever, and a bookmark thing. And then I have glasses, that head massage thing that I showed you guys in my What I Got for Christmas video, and some really nice flowers that my grandmother put up here, which is really cool. And then down below I have my sunglasses. I usually don't have a lot of sunglasses because I don't really wear sunglasses, but a lot of these I won. These pair I got from school. They were having like this drive safe thing, and then these I brought. So I just got these from Dollar Tree, and they are so cute, and they literally are like the best pair of glasses. These are what they look like. Really nice for $1, and they're super dark, which is really nice, so I can look at the sun. Please don't look at the sun, but anyway, they're really nice for $1. And yeah, also over here I have like this pile of junk. I have a lot of my headphones that I don't really use anymore, but they still work. I have some scissors, because scissors come in handy when I need to cut something. And yeah, obviously, what? And then I have just some lip glosses. And then over here is where I keep a lot of my perfumes at. And yeah, I got these two for Christmas, and then I got this one last Christmas, and then I just got these two last Christmas also. So a lot of perfumes I got for Christmas. So yeah, and then this one I just take to school. It's Hello Beautiful. I got that for my birthday last year. Really gel nice thing, which is kind of like lotion, but it's clear and it's so good. It has no alcohol in it, which is perfect because I have really bad acne, so, and eczema, so it's really and then nice. Over here is where I keep my nail stuff at. So I just have a lot of my nail glue and nail polish and all that stuff over here. And back here is like my birthday cards that I got, and I just keep them back here because they're so sweet. And yeah, that's basically my vanity. It's pretty messy, but it's organized, so I can kind of like see where everything is. But yeah. And then down here are my shoes. These are not like all the shoes I have, but these are the ones that I wear mostly. So I recently, yes, but yeah, I keep my shoes over there, and then I have a lot of my sneakers down here. And then also over here, I have my guitar, which doesn't work. I got this when I was like 10, but I don't use it because it's like broken, but it's really nice to have as decoration, I guess. And then over here is my book bag because, yeah, and then that's just the overall room tour. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and comment down below any more request videos that you guys want me to do, because I am listening. And I will see you guys later. Love you. Mwah.